Fixing a water-damaged book requires immediate action and a lot of patience. When a book gets wet, the goal is to dry it before mold grows and to flatten it before the pages warp permanently. First, you must act fast. Remove the book from the water source immediately. Hold it shut and gently shake off any excess water. Do not fan the pages out yet, as this can cause them to tear while they are weak. Lay a dry towel on a flat surface. Place the book on the towel. Now, you need absorbent materials. Paper towels are perfect for this step. Very carefully, begin placing a single paper towel between the pages. You do not need one for every page. Place a paper towel every 20 to 50 pages for a standard paper book. This will start wicking moisture from the inside out. If your book has coated, glossy pages, you have a much more urgent task. You must place a paper towel between every single page. If you do not, the coating will fuse the pages together like glue as they dry. This step is critical for magazines or photography books. Once the paper towels are in place, put another dry towel on top of the book. Press down firmly and evenly with your hands. This will squeeze out a lot of the initial water. After a few minutes, the paper towels will be saturated. You must replace them. Carefully remove the wet towels and insert new, dry ones. Repeat this blotting process until the new paper towels come out only slightly damp. Now the air drying phase begins. Stand the book upright. Gently fan the pages open just enough so they are separated. This allows air to circulate. Place the book in a dry room with good ventilation. A fan set on low can speed up the process significantly. Point the fan to circulate air around the room, not directly at the book. Strong, direct air can damage the pages. Never use heat. Do not use a hairdryer, a radiator, or an oven. Heat will make the paper brittle and can warp the cover and spine. As the book dries, the pages will look wavy and wrinkled. This is called cockling, and it is normal. The next step will fix this. When the pages feel cool and just slightly damp, but not wet, it is time to press the book. Close the book, making sure all the pages are aligned correctly. Place a sheet of wax paper just inside the front and back covers. This prevents the cover from sticking to the first and last pages. Now, place the book on a flat, hard surface. Put a flat board or another large, heavy book on top of it. Stack heavy objects on the board to create even pressure. Bricks or weights work well. The pressure must be distributed across the entire book. Leave the book under pressure for at least 1 to 2 days, but a week is even better. Check it daily. If you notice a musty smell, you may have a mildew problem. To fix this, make sure the book is completely dry first. Then, place it in a semi-sealed container with an open box of baking soda for a few days to absorb the odor. This process takes time, but it can save a treasured book from ruin. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful guides.